Hello, welcome everyone. Today in this video, we are going to revise your chapter software and its type. As we already discussed about software and its type, now we will do the revision of it. It will come in your term 1 exam. The set of instructions are called programs. Software is a collection of programs that tells the computer to perform operation like input, processing and output. There are the various set of instructions. That means we tell something to do to the computer, that is called a program. In program we write some instructions to follow it, and like this we can have the different collection of the programs. We call it a software. Like if we make we give instructions of addition, that will be a program. We can make a program in which we can say x plus y, that will give us the addition of x and y. Similarly, we can make a program of subtraction, multiplication and division. After making all this program, we can combine them, and the combination of different set of programs are called software. And this software tells the computer to perform the different tasks, like, and it is used for input, processing and output. Even whatever we are inputting in system, like whatever we are doing the work, that we are doing in software. And operating system, which is processing the software, is also a type of a software. To work on the computer, so one, we need a hardware, and to work upon it we need a software. Software is of two types: system software and application software. Now we will learn about the different types of software, that is system software and application software. System software, collection of a program that controls the overall operation and internal working of the computer system. System software is of main two types: operating system and utility program. The system software is like a collection of program which control the overall activity or the operation of a computer. Like in system software is of two types: operating system and utility software. Operating system example is Windows, and in mobiles you have Android. So operating system is a software which controls overall activity and overall operation of a computer. And operating system provides the GUI, that is graphic user interface, by which we can easily work upon the computer. Like when we open the computer, we see the graphical interface to work upon the computer. And you all know computer only understand the binary language, and binary language is in the form of 0 and 1. So system software provides us the interface by which we can work upon the computer. Now second is utility programs. Utility programs are those programs which enhance the ability of operating system. Like if operating system is providing us the graphical user interface, utility programs are giving the ability to make the operating system work better. Example is antivirus. By the help of utility program, that is means antivirus, virus will not appear in our system in spite of using various external devices or working on the internet. These all are the sources of virus. So antivirus stops the virus to come inside your system. So utility programs are the program which enhance the ability of system software, that is operating system. Now the second type of software is application software. Application software These are the set of programs which are used to perform specific type of job, like making calculation, arranging data in an organized way. Application software also the set of program, and they are used to perform a specific task or a job, like calculation data or arranging the data in an organized way, and the various painting and other things. Whatever we work upon the application software. Like system software is for providing us the interface to work, and application software are the software on which we actually work. Like example of application packages software: word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management systems, desktop publishing packages. These are the packages. And the various example of application softwares are like paint. You do the paint in a system, that is the example of application software. Games, you play games, various different types of the games, all type of the games comes under the application software. Any software like calculator, which is used for the calculation, for the arranging the data, we are using the MS Word and MS Excel. There are the various other software for which we can work upon. So all the software comes under application software on which we work. And the application packages softwares are there. In application packages software, there is a package inside which there are the different software. Like in word processing software we have the MS Office. You have learned about MS Office several times. MS Office is a package suite inside which we can have the MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, and various other software like PPTs and other. So they are called the packages, and there are the various different application packages are there, like word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management, and desktop publishing packages. So how it works: like first we have the system software. And system software, when the system we buy from the market, we have a blank hardware, so we have to provide the software, and that is system software. In system software we have to put the operating system first, and operating system then provide us the interface upon which we work, and it operates all the internal working like the hardwares, keyboard, mouse. It will coordinate with them and it will work like that. It will work with them, with each and every hardware. It will controls all the hardware, and then what it will give you a interface. Then on that particular interface we have to install the other software, like we have to install the utility software first to enhance the ability of operating system. After enhancing the ability, then we need a software to work upon, that is called application software. Then we have to input application, then we have to install the application software on it. And the when we have the then we when we install the application software, then we provide an interface by which we can work on it. So like this it will work: hardware, then upon the hardware we have the operating system, and then upon the operating system we are working on application software, and after application software we are the user. So user are working on the application software is working with over the operating system, and operating system working upon the hardware. Like this it works. So this is there in your chapter. Now we will discuss some of the fill in the blanks here, which is there in your chapter. The first one is software is of two types, and they are system and application. As you all know, system software and the application software. System software works as a provide as the interface, and it provides it working as a mediator between the hardware and the application software. And application software is working as an individual upon which we are working. Now the second is dash system controls the overall activity of a computer. That is operating system. As we have discussed here right now, operating systems are the software which is controlling the overall activity and all the hardware and all the software. So operating system is controlling the overall activity of a computer. Third one is an operating system manages all dash and dash devices. So operating system manages all input and output devices. See, I have clearly told you operating system are managing your hardware. So all the devices which are in giving the input or the output, they all are the hardware. Like input devices hardware are keyboard, mouse, they all comes under the input devices. So all the input devices is being managed by the operating system, and the output devices the like monitor and printer, they all are the output devices. They are also managed by the operating system. Whatever output we are getting in the monitor is managed by the operating system. The interface, the graphical interface is provided by the operating system only. And the application software which are working upon the operating system, they are working, they are also getting the over the, they are working over the operating system only. The interface is provided by operating system. The term software was first used by John W. Tuckey. So this is the important fill in the blanks. The software term was first used by John W. Tuckey. So remember this name. The presentation software is used to present an idea or concept. As you have learned the PowerPoint in previous year, the presentation software is used to present the ideas and the concept. This is all for the fill in the blanks. Now we will discuss some true and false. Word processing software help us in maintaining a document in a presentable manner. That is true. By the word processing software, with the help of word processing software, we are maintaining our document. Like the word processing software is like MS Word. We are processing it, we are maintaining the document. Second is backup is a process of shrinking files on a disk. No, backup is not the process of shrinking file on a disk. That is compression software is the compression is the process of shrinking file on a disk. If we have a large file, we can compress it. Backup is like if you want our data to be safe somewhere else, then it is called a backup. Like we save our data in a hard disk or pen drives, they are called the backup. So backup is a process, is not a process of shrinking files on our disk. Backup is for keeping our file safe for a long time, so that if we can have, if we by chance we delete our file, then we can must have a backup of that file. Nowadays some companies are providing a backup on cloud, like they are giving us a space by which we can have our file on their system. So if we are having a file on the system, then on the cloud, that means on their server, they are safe with them and they are password protected. Nobody can watch that. But we can remove that file, or we can have the backup if our system goes fail. So backup nowadays is very important part of your system. So like even if your system goes fail, you must have your data, you will have your data with you. Third true false is spreadsheet software help us to perform calculation and analyze data in an effective manner. That is true. We have learned about the spreadsheet, and the software is MS Excel, by which we are analyzing the data and we are doing the calculation with the help of formulas and functions. So it is a software which helping us to perform the calculation, and it is good for analyzing the data. Like we are making the chart also, by the help of the chart we are analyzing our data in an Excel sheet. Multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. Multimedia softwares help in a large information that is false, like we are storing our data in backup files, or we are compressing it, or then we are saving it. Multimedia softwares are used to watch the multimedia files like audio, videos, graphics. We all are using all these type of files. So software is only helping in storing. Multimedia software is helping in watching or accessing the multimedia files. It is not helping us for the storing large amount of data. Only the database softwares we are using to store large amount of data. And there are the various kind of multimedia software, like by if you are want to listen only, then you have the mp3 player. If you want to watch, then you have a video mp4 player like VLC and many more. And to watch the graphics, we have different software. To watch the photos, we have Google Photos or Picasa, and there are various other softwares by which you can watch your photos. So like this, you can access your multimedia files. So that's all for your chapter, that is software and its type. Please revise this and learn all the fill in the blanks and the true false. Then when you will be in school, we will have a test for it. Thank you.